The first step is to go to Effects, then search for Sharpen Edges. Apply the following values. Now duplicate Sharpen Edges by pressing Ctrl+J and set the following values again. Next, download the 2 overlays I'll leave in the description. First, drag the first one into the timeline, go to Mode and set it to Multiply. Now drag in the second overlay and set this one to Screen. Click on Adjustment, add a new layer, and apply the following values. And that's it, just export in 4K.